Hey guys, it's Brian Buffington, and I got 3 minutes. I'm going to show you some application using a drawing tablet. So I got this thing off Amazon for 20 bucks back in the summer, and it's been a lot of fun. I've been taking on tour with me, and it simply allows the teacher to make annotations instead on tutorials instead of using the trackpad, which isn't that fun. So it looks like this. It's wired, and you get a pen. This cool thing right here, 20 bucks. Again, the expectations were very low, but it worked out really well. So I'm using Flipgrid Shorts to make my tutorial, and I think it's a very simple way for teachers to make content. So it's flipgrid.com, and you'll see Shorts. If you log in, you'll see Shorts on the top right, and it allows the teacher to make as many 3-minute videos as they want. So I think that's a great number. So here we go. So first things first, you don't have to show your face if you do this. You can go straight to whiteboard right here. There you go. And then first application that teachers like to see when it comes to drawing tablet is math. So I'm just going to grab my pen tool. It's already there. Click it again, pick a color I want. Go, you know what? Let's do some math. So 24 plus 38, and the teacher just works this out. And I have terrible handwriting. Most of you by default have better handwriting than me, so don't worry about that. So 4 plus 8, he's like, well, all right, class, you put the 12 down here, and you're like, no, that's not what you do. And you could just explain how you do the math problem. You don't know how this works. So I'm going to clear that. And then another application is just maybe putting an image up. So let's talk about science for a second. So if I click this button down there, it says add custom sticker. That's just a fancy word for picture. And I already have a picture on my laptop of a cell. And so the teacher could take the tablet right here, grab the pen tool, and just have at it, start circling stuff. All right, guys, now you know what that is, and then start writing it out over here, what that is. So that's that example. So a picture, a diagram, it could have been a graphic organizer. I'm going to clear that. And then maybe a lit example. It could have been a map, maybe a map for my history, social studies people. But I'm going to do one more example. I'm going to do a literature, just a passage. So right here, this is a screenshot of a passage about Ruby Bridges. And the teacher can also take the tool here and circle, underline, star, whatever the teacher wants to do. It's amazing, all right? So then I'm going to go back to my face. I'll clear that. I think I just hit that. Oh, yeah, black and white, mysterious, Brian. Let me clear this. So that's how you use the drawing tablet, and I gave you some very simple application ideas. You're the content expert, so you figure out how to make this work for you as a tool. How does it make life better? How does technology make your work more efficient and your students' life even much better? Have a good one, guys.